Hi everybody, it's Denny. Hey, I tell you what, let's go add a couple of trees so Jennifer's bear is standing where she wanted him to stand, okay? I'll meet you over at the easel. And here we go. Let's put a little bit of greenery in these trees. And I'm using my old toothbrush. And I got some paint. There's not a lot of water in it. Okay, because we don't want that. All we want it to do is just scrape like this. Just scrape in some greenery for these trees. There isn't much water at all in that paint. Okay, we're dragging it out here. And we'll come back in eventually. And we'll put some, we'll put a little bit of white in there to kind of make it look like there's a little bit of snow. Now we can't forget what's going on over here, so we just start scraping and pushing and pushing and scraping like that. And we have our tree over here as well, because Jennifer wanted the bear leaning by a tree. And if that's where she wanted it, by golly, that's where she got it. Okay, we'll put some branches out here, just like that. Okay, now be with me tomorrow, and we'll start working on some snow and stuff down here. Okay, be sure to like, subscribe, follow, hit the link. For goodness sakes, let me know how we're doing, and remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. And there we go. Okay, Jennifer's bear's got a place to stand now, so be with me tomorrow, and we'll continue on getting some more snow on the ground. Until then, remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.